In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to insert an image inside of text in Microsoft Word easily. It is very easy to insert a picture inside of text. Before starting the video, you are requested to subscribe our channel. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft Word document. Let me go to Insert, go to Smart Art. I have to insert a smart art from here. Let me insert basic block list. Click on OK. So here is 5 text box. I need only one text box. So I have to click on this text box. Let me click on delete. This one, let me click on delete, and this one, and let me click on delete, and select this one, and let me click on delete. Then I have to add some text here. Insert an image inside of text. So let me select this text, go to home, let me change the font color to this color, and let me change the font to Agency FB, and let me bold it, and let me change the font size. I have to make it more bigger. Then click on this shape, go to format, click on shape fill, make it no fill. Then select this text, go to text effect, go to shadow, select this shadow effect, go to shape effect, go to preset, select this preset. Now select this text, go to format, go to text fill, go to picture fill. Then I have to insert a picture from my computer or online. So let me click on from a file, download this picture, click on insert. So here the picture has been inserted into the text. You can resize it from here, and you can resize it these shapes. This is perfect. So hope this video is helpful to you. If you really like our video, please share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.